हेलो बच्चों, आज का ये चैप्टर है चैप्टर 3 एलिमेंट एंड कंपाउंड, जो कि कोर्डोवा पब्लिकेशन का क्लास 6 का आईसीएसई बोर्ड का है। ठीक है, केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर है। In a previous chapter we have learned that the everything around us is made up of matter. ठीक है, तो जो हमने पहले वाले चैप्टर में, इससे सेकेंड चैप्टर में हमने रीड किया था कि जो भी हमारी चारों तरफ है वो मैटर से बनी हुई है। We have also learned that on the basis of its the physical state matter can be a solid, liquid and gas. ठीक है, तो इनकी फिजिकल स्टेट से हम पता चलता है कि वो सॉलिड है, लिक्विड है या गैस है। इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर। अब अभी तक तो हमने सिर्फ नाम और ये सुने थे, लेकिन अब उसके केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन हमको इस चैप्टर में रीड करने हैं। केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर: टेक सम शुगर एंड सॉइल and keep them on two different sheets of paper. Observe them with the magnifying glass and you find that the particles of sugar are similar in color, shape and size. But the particle of soil are the different color, shape and the size. Soil contain clay, gravel and dry leaves, and sugar contain particle of only one kinds. It is a pure substance, and soil contain particle of a different kind. It is the impure substance or a mixture. इतना क्लियर हो गया? A pure substance is substance that contains same kinds of particles. जो सेम तरह के पार्टिकल्स से होते हैं उसको एटम या फिर मॉलिक्यूल्स बोलते हैं। An impure substance or a mixture substance that contain two or more pure substance, element और कंपाउंड और या फिर दोनों होते हैं उसके अंदर। ठीक है, तो उनको फिजिकली मिक्स्ड होते हैं या फिर किसी केमिकली भी मिक्स होते हैं। एनी प्रोपोर्शन में हो सकते हैं, कोई कम कोई ज़्यादा, कुछ भी। ठीक है, अभी मैटर है, माइंड मैप दिया है कि मैटर के टू पार्ट्स है, प्योर सब्सटेंस और इम्प्योर सब्सटेंस और मिक्सचर। ठीक है, अब प्योर सब्सटेंस में एलिमेंट और कंपाउंड दो दिए हैं। फिर एलिमेंट के अंदर है मेटल, नॉन मेटल, मेटलाइट्स एंड नोबल गैसेस। ठीक है, इसमें कंपाउंड का नहीं बताया है, सिर्फ एलिमेंट्स का बताया है कि एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं: मेटल, नॉन मेटल, मेटलाइट्स एंड नोबल गैसेस। प्योर सब्सटेंस, अभी प्योर सब्सटेंस क्या होता है? वी नो दैट द प्योर सब्सटेंस इज द सब्सटेंस दैट कंटेन द सेम काइंड ऑफ पार्टिकल, एटम एंड molecules. Property: they have a definite chemical composition and they have a uniform composition throughout. They have a definite physical and chemical properties and they have fixed melting and the boiling point. They have a characteristic color, order मतलब smell and taste. They cannot be splitted into a simpler substance by the physically method. ठीक है, फिजिकली मतलब आप हाथ से। For example, water is a pure substance. It is made up of only water molecules. It has fixed chemical composition. Example, it's made up of a hydrogen and the oxygens combined in fixed ratio 1/8. It has a definite physical and the chemical property. It has a fixed boiling point 100 degrees Celsius and a fixed freezing point 0 degrees Celsius. When we mix a sugar or a common salt in water, its boiling point and the freezing point change. It's mean that it has some impurities. Substance that have a uniform composition that called the homogeneous. And substances that do not have uniform compositions is called the हाइड्रोजीनियस। ठीक है, तो ये मैं आपको और दूसरे वीडियोज में आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। अभी हम सिर्फ चैप्टर रीडिंग करेंगे। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंस: प्योर सब्सटेंस आर अ टू टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट। All substances on earth are made up of some simple substances, and these simple substances cannot be split into two or more simpler substances by any physical and the chemical method. Such simple substance is called the element. An element is a pure substance and made up of only one kind of atom and cannot be split into two or more simpler substances by any physical and chemical method. You have to learn that definition. For example, iron is an element because it's made up of only iron atom and it cannot be break down into a simpler substance by any physical or chemical method. Simply, sulfur is also an element. It's a sulfur and iron powder. An atom is the smallest unit of an element. Scientists have discovered 118 elements out of जो आपको periodic table दिया है उसके अंदर का है ये. Out of these 92 elements are found in nature in rock, soil and water. And the remain 26 have been created artificially. जो मतलब human ने create किया है. Oxygen, hydrogen, zinc, nitrogen, carbon and the copper, silver, gold and tin are the some other example of element. Zinc. Classification of element. On the basis of their properties, elements are classified into for the following four groups: metal, non-metal, metalloids and the noble gases. Metals like a gold, silver, iron, copper, mercury and the aluminium are metals. Mercury is the only liquid metal which liquid on room temperature. Properties of metal: they are generally solid and at room temperature. Exception mercury, it's a liquid metal. अभी मैंने बताया था वही है. They are generally hard and strong. Exception सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम मेटल है लेकिन वो हार्ड और नहीं है, सॉफ्ट मेटल है वो. They lustrous और shiny. सोडियम एंड नॉन lustrous मेटल है. Malleable. They cannot be hammered into a thin sheet. They can be hammered into a thin sheets or a foil. Exception जिंक को आप शीट में चेंज नहीं कर सकते. वैसे ही लस्ट्रियस होते हैं सारे मेटल, लेकिन आप सोडियम मेटल है लेकिन आप उसको उसमें आवाज नहीं होती है, चमकता नहीं है वो. डक्टाइल कैन बी ड्रॉन. इट्स डक्टाइल मीन्स आप उसको वायर में चेंज कर सकते हैं, बट फिर दे आर गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. बहुत इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वगैरह के लिए गुड कंडक्टर होता है. एल्यूमिनियम इज यूज्ड ट्रांसमिशन. केबल्स, जो केबल्स, ये ब्लैक एंड वाइट बुक है, जेरोक्स बुक है इसलिए आपको दिख नहीं रहा है, पर जो इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स वगैरह उसके लिए बताया है. दे हैव अ हाई मेल्टिंग एंड boiling point. Exception sodium and potassium have low melting point. They are snorers, मतलब आवाज होती है झनझन करके. They produce a ringing sound when struck with hard metal. अगर आप उसको बजाते हो तो उसके अंदर से साउंड आता है. Non metal. Elements like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus and the chlorine are non-metals. Properties of non-metals: they are either solid like a sulfur and the phosphorus or a or a gases like a oxygen, nitrogen. Exception: bromine is only a non-metal found in liquid state. They are generally soft. Exception: diamond is an extremely hard, not a metal. ठीक है, तो उसमें बताया है आपको कि जो हार्ड चीज होती है वो जरूरी नहीं है कि मेटल हो, जो सॉफ्ट चीज होती है वो जरूरी नहीं कि वो नॉन मेटल हो. तो उसमें मतलब बताया कि बाकी सब है इसको छोड़ के. Carbon exists a soft solid like a charcoal and coal and hard solid like a diamond and the graphite. They non-lustrous, non-shining and the dull, and the exception iodine is a lustrous. Iodine. ये कलरफुल नहीं है ना, इसलिए थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज आई हैव ओनली जेरॉक्स बुक. They are non-malleable. They cannot be hammered into thin sheet. They are non-ductile. They cannot be drawn into wire. They are mostly brittle in nature. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Exception, graphite from the carbon, and it is a good conductor of electricity. They have low melting and boiling point. Exception, diamond and the graphite have a very high melting point. They are non-snoring. They do not produce ring sound when struck. Metalloids, elements that shows some properties of metals and some properties of non-metal is called the metalloids. They are solid boron and the arsenic, germanium and the tellurium and the polonium, silicon, antimony are some example of metalloids. Noble or inert gases. Gaseous element that do not react chemically with other animal is called the noble or inert gases. These elements are found in the trash, so they are also known as rare gases. Example are helium, neon, argon and the krypton, xenon and radon. Use of element. Different element have a different properties. Their properties make them useful for us in our day-to-day life, and some common elements with their uses are as following. Copper and aluminum metals are used in the making electrical wire and utensils. In this, because of they are a good conductor of heat and electricity. ठीक है. And gold and silver and platinum are used in the making jewelry because they are lustrous. And iron is used to making heavy tools to machine because it is a strong, and copper is the mixed with zinc, and the tin is the produce the brass and the boron respectively. And brass and boron are used to making statue, utensils and parts of machines. Diamond are used to gems and ornaments. In impure diamond is a very hard, it is used to cut the glass. Graphite is used to make a lead of pencil, and argon is or a neon is filled with the electric bulb, and they are inert and do not react with the tungsten filaments of a bulb. Representation of element. The abbreviation used to denote an element is called the symbols. इसका मतलब कुछ एलिमेंट्स को याद रखने के लिए उनको किसी सिंबल से रिप्रेजेंट किया है तो उसको बोलते हैं द एब्रिविएशन यूज्ड टू डिनोट एन एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड द सिंबल्स. Abbreviation. Origin is the symbol of element. Ancient science or alchemist used certain sign and the symbol of the mythological origin which represent the element and the compound. Copper, gold, iron, silver and the sulfur. It is called, this symbol is called alchemist symbol for element. Dalton symbol of element. John Dalton was the first scientist who used the symbol to represent element, and he represent atoms of the various element by the circle and the different making in the circles. A group of these circles represent the compound. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, iron and gold. Modern symbol of element. Some symbol of derived from the first letter of the English name of element. They are written in capital letter. For example, symbol of oxygen is O, first letter of the नेम। यहाँ पे ये पीरियडिक टेबल दिए, ये आपको याद करनी पड़ेगी। The symbol of hydrogen is H, the first letter H, and the symbol of carbon in C, the first letter of carbon. Some symbols of derived from the first letter and another significant letter of the English name of the element. The first letter always written in capital and the other significant letter is written in a small. For example, symbols calcium is the Ca, the first letter and second letter both, and the symbol of chlorine Cl, the first letter and the third letter name. Some symbols are derived from the Latin name, is the example of symbol copper Cu, the first and the second letter of Latin name of the cuprum. And the symbol of iron is the Fe, the first letter and second letter of Latin ferrium. And the symbol of potassium is K, the first letter of the Latin name is the kalium. Okay, so this is your periodic tables. You have to learn till 20 number. Now compound. We know that there is just 26 letters in the English alphabet, but the alphabet can be combined in a number of ways to form a large number of words. Similarly, there are about 118 different elements, and these elements combine together a different way to form a large number of compounds. So what is a compound? A compound is a pure substance made up of the two or more elements chemically combined in the fixed proportion by the mass. The molecules is the smallest unit of compound and that exhibits all the properties of the compound and has been independent existence. Suppose water, H2O, hydrogen and oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen, alcohol, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, ammonia, nitrogen and the hydrogen. The 117th element tensine of the periodic table was discovered in year 2010, but the recently scientists announced that they have created super heavy elements and they bombarded calcium ion on a berkelium target until they collided and formed the 117th element. The success of making the 117th element can be considered as the important step in the path of producing the detecting super heavy element. Properties of compound. जैसे properties of element थी वैसे ही properties of compound है. Compound is made up of two or more element and pure and the homogeneous. Compound is formed by the combination of element in the definite proportion. For example, water is formed by the combination of hydrogen and the oxygen fixed ratio 1/8 by the mass. Calcium CaO, तो कैल्शियम का 5 and इसका 2. NaCl sodium chloride 2335.5. The component of the compound cannot be separated by any physical method like boiling, evaporation, filtration, and they can be separated by using the chemical method only. For example, water can be broken into the hydrogen and the oxygen by the chemical method, मतलब electrolysis. The physical and the chemical properties of compound and the entirely different from the properties of its constituent element. For example, hydrogen and oxygen and gas, but their compound water is liquid in form of conduction. Hydrogen burn itself, oxygen super burn. Wait a minute. super burning, but water is liquid, neither burn nor support burning. It helps in putting off fire, and similarly carbon is solid, gives a heat of burning, and oxygen is gas, support the burning, but the carbon dioxide gas and do not support the burning. It helps the putting out fire. ओके तो आपको समझ में आ गया कि एक चीज़ होती है तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी अलग होती है, उसका वर्क अलग होता है. जब दो कंबाइन होते हैं तो उनकी वर्क और प्रॉपर्टी अलग होती है. कार्बन का C सॉलिड है और ऑक्सीजन का O गैस है. तो सॉलिड और लिक्विड बन के क्या बना? गैसियस बना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. During the formation of compound energy in the form of heat or light, दो एनर्जी से निकलता है. It is the either absorb and release. For example, when water is formed by the burning hydrogen in oxygen, heat and the light are released. तो जब when water is formed by burning, जब पानी बनता है हाइड्रोजन और को ऑक्सीजन के अंदर जला के, तो क्या निकलता है? हीट और लाइट निकलती है. ऑल द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द कंपाउंड आर द सिमिलर, however the molecules of the compound are the different from the molecules of another compound, and thus the particular compound has its own specific properties. For example, the molecules of water are entirely different from the molecules of the carbon dioxide. So the properties of water and the carbon dioxide are also different. Molecules of elements. Atom of all elements do not exist independently except the noble gases, and when the two or more atoms of the same element combine, they form a molecules of an element. For example, an atom of oxygen do not exist independently. Two atoms of oxygen combine to form a molecules of oxygen. Similarly, three atoms of oxygen combine to form the molecules of ozone. एग्जाम्पल्स फिर से रीड करते हैं. एन एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन डू नॉट एक्सिस्ट. ठीक है, तो ऑक्सीजन का एटम एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है इंडिपेंडेंटली जब तक कि टू एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कंबाइंड नहीं होते हैं, और मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन जब तक ऑक्सीजन के दो मॉलिक्यूल्स कंबाइन नहीं होते. सिमिलरली उसी के जैसे थ्री एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन होते हैं और फॉर्म करते हैं मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ओजोन, and two atom of nitrogen combined करते हैं to form the molecules of nitrogen. The number of atoms present in the molecules of atom is called the atomicity. Number of atoms present in molecules of an element is called the atomicity. On the basis of atomicity, molecules can be monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and the tetraatomic and the polyatomic. जैसे H2O it's a water but H कितने हैं? 2 है, तो ये क्या हो गया? डायटोमिक. ऐसे ही ट्राइटोमिक 3 होगा तो ट्राइटोमिक, टेट्राटोमिक 4 होगा तो टेट्राटोमिक, और 4 से ज़्यादा होगा तो पॉलीएटोमिक. Monoatomic molecules. When the molecules contain only one atom is called the monoatomic molecules. Example, helium, neon and the argon. And diatomic, when the molecules contain two atoms is called the diatomic. For example, nitrogen, oxygen and the hydrogen. Triatomic, the molecule contain the three atom of triatomic molecules. For example, ozone. Tetraatomic when molecule contains 4 atomic is called the tetraatomic, मतलब phosphorus का 4. Polyatomic मतलब when molecules contain more than 4 it is called the polyatomic. Sulfur का S8. Example of polyatomic. Molecules of the compound. When atom of two or more element combine chemically, they form a molecules of compound. For example, 2 atoms of a hydrogen and 1 atoms of oxygen chemically combine to form the molecule of water. 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen combine to form the carbon dioxide and 1 atom of zinc and the 2 atom of chloride, the chemically combine to form the molecule of the zinc chloride. 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chloride chemically combine to form the molecule of sodium chloride. Diagrammatic representation, for example, atoms and molecules, zinc, ऑक्सीजन, वाटर, सबके बताया है कि ओजोन के 3 है तो उसके 3 मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं. गोल्ड को AU है, हीलियम को HE है, सबके अलग अलग है. सिल्वर को AG है, फ्लोरीन को F2 है तो F2 टाइम है. Uses of compound. Water is a universal solvent. It carries the dissolved substance to a different part of the body through the water. Plant take the minerals dissolved in water from the soil, and water is also used to preparation of the solution of the various medical and the industrial purpose. Carbon dioxide is used by plant making the food by the process of photosynthesis. Sodium chloride are a common salt for the food to add a taste. नाउ फार्मूला. अभी ये फार्मूला क्यों बना है, जो उनके नेम बने हैं वो किस लिए बने हैं. द फार्मूला इज द शॉर्ट वे ऑफ representation of the molecules of an element or a compound. A formula is a universally accepted and it saves the time and space and the energy. For example, formula of bromine molecules is Br2. It is represent the 2 atom of bromine and combine to form of molecules of a bromine. And the formula of carbon dioxide is the CO2 and it's represent in that 2 atom of oxygen and 1 atom of carbon and the combine to form the molecules of a carbon dioxide. Formula of element. The molecules of an element are represented by their formula. The formula of a monoatomic molecules is represented by the symbol of the corresponding element. For example, sodium Na and the calcium Ca. The formula of a diatomic molecules, oxygen in the O2, and here O is the symbol of oxygen element and the number of 2 as the subscript with the symbol represent the number of atom represent in the molecules of oxygen. And the formula of a triatomic molecules, ozone, is the O3. Here the O is the symbol of oxygen and the element and find the number 3 written as the subscript and the symbol represent the number of atom represent in the molecules of ozone. O2 and the 2O are not the same. They have a different meaning. O2 represent the molecules of oxygen and 2O represent 2 atom of oxygen. It is the formula of molecules, some common element. Formula of compound. The compound is also represented by the chemical formula. For example, water is the compound and 1 molecule of water is formed by the chemical combination of a 2 atom of a hydrogen with 1 atom of oxygen, so that the chemical formula of water is the H2O, and carbon dioxide is the compound of 1 molecules of the carbon dioxide is the formed by the chemical combination or a 2 atom of oxygen with the 1 atom of carbon. So the chemical formula of a carbon dioxide, CO2. Know this also. Write the formula of compound. Compound is usually written by knowing the number of atoms represent in the molecules of compound and the number of atoms in molecules of compound depend on the combining capacity of a constituent element. The combining capacity of an atom of any element is called the valency. जो दूसरे एलिमेंट के अंदर उस एलिमेंट की कंबाइन करने की जो कैपेसिटी होती है उसको वैलेंसी बोलते हैं. जो शेल होते हैं, शेल की जो आउटर शेल होती है उसके अंदर जो दूसरे एलिमेंट के एटम को कंबाइन करने की जो कैपेसिटी होती है उसको वैलेंसी बोलते हैं. द वैलेंसी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज द होल नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द वैलेंसी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, सोडियम and the potassium is the 1, and the valency of oxygen, magnesium and the zinc is the 2. The valency of insert gas is the 0 because of they exist freely in a monoatomic formula. Write in the symbol of constitution element and write down the valency of each element below their symbol. If valencies are the divisible by any common factor, then divide them. When the valencies are not divisible, then leave them as they are. Now, interchanging the valencies and the write as the subscript next to the symbol. For example, the chemical formula of the calcium chloride is written as the following step. The constituent element of a calcium chloride are calcium, and the chlorine symbol of the calcium and the chlorine are Ca and Cl. The valency of calcium and the chlorine are 2 and 1 respectively. Symbol CaCl and valency 2, 1. Interchanging the valency Ca and Cl. The chemical formula of a calcium chloride is the CaCl2 because there is no need to mention the valency 1 in the formula. Similarly, the chemical formula of a sodium chloride and the magnesium oxide can be given as the chemical formula of a sodium chloride is NaCl, the magnesium oxide MgO, because in the magnesium oxide valency of magnesium and the oxide are divided by the common factor 2. ठीक है, तो ये वैलेंसी वाला मैं एक अलग से आपको वीडियो बना के दूंगी कि वैलेंसी कैसे निकालते हैं. अभी सिर्फ चैप्टर रीडिंग करेंगे क्योंकि उसमें जो लिखा है वही आपको, जब तक आपको पीरियडिक टेबल याद नहीं होएगी, उसके ये फॉर्मूलाज याद नहीं होंगे, तब तक आप इसमें वैलेंसी निकालना नहीं सीख सकते. तो आपको ये सब लर्न करना पड़ेगा. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ केमिकल फार्मूला. द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ द कंपाउंड गिव्स अस द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन. element present in the compound and the number of atom of each kind in one molecules and their ratio. Mass of one molecules of the compound. For example, the chemical formula of a carbon dioxide is the CO2. Here C and the O represent the constituent element. It also indicate that there is a one atom of carbon and the 2 atom of oxygen, and the mass of one molecules of a CO2 can be calculated by the adding the mass of a 1 atom of carbon and the 2 atom of oxygen. The chemical formula of a sodium carbonate is the Na2CO3. Here Na and the C and the O represent the constituent element, and it also indicates that there are 2 atom of a sodium, 1 atom of a carbon and the 3 atom of a oxygen. Compounds state and the formula and the element of represent in this. ठीक है, तो you have to all learn these. You have to learn all these. नाइट्रेट ऑक्साइड, नाइट्रियस ऑक्साइड, विनेगर, हाइड्रोजन एसिड, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। तो ये सब आपको याद करने पड़ेंगे बेटा, और इसका कोई तरीका नहीं है। लीड और सल्फर ये क्या है? कंपाउंड। तो ये मेटल है या नॉन मेटल है? अब मेटल और नॉन मेटल मिलके एक का कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स बने हैं लीड सल्फाइड, मतलब उसमें लीड मेटल है और सल्फ्रिक नॉन मेटल है। चलो, ये आपका यहाँ पे चैप्टर फिनिश हो गया है। ठीक है, तो अब इसके जो नोट्स है मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगी।